Hey guys, what's up? It's Hannah. So today is going to be a very simple video, but it's been requested a little bit whenever I ask on Instagram what you guys want to see. This always comes up a few times, so I thought I would do it since I haven't done like an everyday makeup thing in a while. This is just how I do my makeup. I am not good at makeup. On other people, I don't really do eyeshadow because I'm just not that good at it. So this is just going to be a very simple routine of what I do and use on an everyday basis for school. Sometimes if I feel like wearing makeup, I'm really mad because I didn't use my reusable cup, but like, or straw, and I wanted coffee. But anyways, I just woke up and I took a shower, so I'm just gonna chug some of this and get energized. Why it didn't even go down at all. That's so tart. If you are curious as to where I am, I'm actually at my dad's house, and I don't really film here often because for most of the time I'm at my mom's house, but I wanted to film this here, and I'm also like redoing Elle and I's room, and there is going to be a video coming up very soon on us redoing it, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, I showered, I used all my skin stuff. If you guys don't remember, if you didn't watch the last video I uploaded, I used BioClarity to like wash my skin and stuff, and then if I need extra moisturizer, I use Simple's Rich Moisturizer for like my hands, whatever. I have like foundation on all of my stuff because I was just in California and it was for a school trip, but anyways, my foundation slash BB cream exploded all over my bag, but that's whatever. Alright, so my face is nice and ready to put makeup on, put my hair up, drink some more coffee, and we're ready. So, normally I'll wet down my beauty blender, but I already did that and I don't want to get back and forth this whole video. First thing I'm going to take Tarte's Tape Shape Concealer. This is in the shade Light Medium. Hello. This is like a sensor mirror and it's just like, hello. Thank you. Alright, we're done with this. This is not going to go on my lap. Sorry, I feel like I'm being really extra this video. I literally don't have energy. Alright, so I really don't know how to title this, but if you're watching, thank you for watching. I hope you guys are having a great day. I'm going to put up some inspirational quotes if you're not, because even if you are having a good day, it's always nice to have positive reminders. So, love it, learn it, live it, maybe, if you want. Okay, so I'm just kind of like randomly dabbing this concealer wherever I think needs like fixing. By the way, I think that this little setup here is so cute for like sit down videos or I don't know, just filming any videos. I'm so excited to show you guys the full room because I've been working on it for a while and so have my parents and Ella. So I'm super excited to show you guys the room when it's done, which it's almost done. So next I'm taking the Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint in the shade Dark. But the funny thing about this, it's exploded in my bags like every single time I travel, and this thing has lasted me forever. I got this over the summer, I think, in July. Like this little thing. And I use this almost like every day, and it's like a magical little bottle, and I don't understand how it works. So props to you, Glossier. So what I like to do is I like to do a little bit, and then I'll take some moisturizer and like mix it in. Hopefully this doesn't, oh my god, that was a lot. I just like it to be like really dewy and light because I do not like cakey foundation whatsoever. I personally don't look good in like cakey foundation. So it barely like, it gives you coverage though. It definitely like gives me coverage. Also, I'm really curious to see what kind of videos you guys want to see. I have a couple planned out, but I want to know what you guys like to watch on my channel. Like, do you like vlogs? Did you guys like Fullest House? Because I can definitely do more of those. Although they do take a long time, but they're fun. Do we like outfit videos? Or is that kind of boring? Like, let me know. Okay, and also I'm gonna take this concealer again and just like dot it right on my pimples because they just want to stick around today. So I'm just gonna dab these in with my beauty blender. By the way, this concealer is amazing and I highly recommend it. Alright, so now that all of my stuff is blended in, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder. It looks like this. I have very oily skin. If you can't tell really, yeah, it's pretty oily. So this is for normal to oily skin. So I just kind of like dab this all over my face. Happy Monday also because I'm filming this the day before it's going up, and a goal for mine in 2019 is to actually upload on Mondays, and it's gonna be hard with traveling and all the stuff I want to do this year, but you guys are my priority, so it's gonna happen. Mondays are the days. Also, if you didn't know, oh, real quick, I'm gonna be taking the Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Setting Powder, and I like to put this, also the cover is really cool, it has like droplets on it. I'm gonna be putting this like where I really get oily, like right here by my nose, and on my chin, just because those get really oily. Anyways, what was I saying? People as in you guys, normally tweet me like selfies on Mondays with the hashtag Meloche Monday, or it might be a different hashtag, but anyways, if you want to tweet me your selfies, I go through the hashtag, I go through my tweets and I like them and I respond to you guys. So if you aren't following me on Twitter, do that. I try and tweet as often as I can. But anyways, next I'm taking the Carity Brow Goals pencil. It's like got the spoolie and then you've got the pencil. So we're just gonna a little bit underneath, and I like to go up and right here, like where it's kind of bald. I like still don't know how to do makeup, but you do what you gotta do. Also, I don't know if you're curious, if this is the first video of mine that you're watching, hi, don't want to scare you, but an update on my tooth. It's healing and I think I'm gonna get the fake tooth in like 2 months, so I'm really excited for that. Although like I feel like this smithing I really just did that smithing tooth. The smithing tooth problem of mine is kind of like a part of me, a part of my brand. So like I'm gonna be kind of sad to see it go. It was just like, it's always annoying taking it out to eat and stuff, and I feel like I like scare the waiters and stuff whenever I'm out to eat, because like I just don't really like explaining to people. Like if you know, you know, and it's just like funny, but I just don't like explaining to people. Sometimes I just like to take this and I just like to like, it's not even noticeable, but I just like get bored if I have extra time and I just like dot these on my face. So fun. Next, I'm gonna take this Tarte blush and it's called Natural Beauty. I don't know why I like question that. It looks like this and I put a very small amount on. Guys, I feel so much more energized in the beginning of this video. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's like a sensor light and I just put a tampon in front of the light so that it like stays bright on my face. This is so much better. Okay, yay. Alright, so now I've got some blush on. I'm going to be taking this MAC Global Glow. Funny story about this is I filmed like this whole video. Let me know if I should do this. I filmed this whole video and it was makeup artists do my makeup versus myself. So I was gonna film that whole video. I had like two professional people do my makeup, and then my big computer that I edit on, it like literally stopped working out of the middle of nowhere, and I spent like 2 days that I could have been like editing or filming other videos, or I don't know, enjoying time with family or friends, working out, other productive things instead of stressing myself out, talking to the Apple people, and then we come to the conclusion that the files aren't going to be able to be saved because I didn't back them up, because I didn't really expect my computer to just break out of the middle of nowhere. So, long story short, I lost that video and like all the files along with other videos and like other stuff I had on that computer. So let me know if I should make that video again. There's probably people who have done it by now because I filmed it in the fall. Like the leaves were green. Okay, so anyways, I put the highlighter on my nose and then I put it above my lip just a little bit. Like you just put it on your lip. I don't know where else you're supposed to put it. I think like under your brows. Oh yeah, and then on your cheeks, obviously. And then I'm gonna take this little red lipstick. It's really sheer. It's by Tarte. It's called Cherry, and it's my favorite thing ever. It's so light. So Too Faced the other day sent me some stuff. This palette is so cool. Really makes me wish I knew how to do eye makeup. So this is what it looks like. It's called Pretty Rich. But okay, let me just show you what this looks like. Literally just for fun, because like I can't do it. Okay, see this pink color? So pigmented. Oh, what the frick? It's amazing. I wish I knew how to use it. So of course I don't have any like actual makeup brushes, so I'm just gonna be using this. Normally I just take, oh my gosh, wait, see, this is why I'm such a mess. Anyways, I forgot to put on bronzer, so I'm taking the same fluffy brush that I used to do my pressed powder. I literally just put it like right here. We're supposed to contour. I don't really know what I'm doing. That's just what I do. So I'm taking the smallest brush I have and I don't know what color to use, because like normally I don't use palettes. I just use like my bronzer and I kind of just like go like this and then I like put it on my eyelids, but I want to just try to do a little something. Alright, so my camera stopped recording. This is probably the most unorganized makeup tutorial you've ever watched, if that's what you came here for. I'm sorry. Okay, so basically, I lost my mascara and I'm borrowing my stepmom's mascara. Because I used to have eyelash extensions. You can still kind of see like the couple that are like hanging on. This long one. Oh, there's one right here too. This is so bad. I shouldn't do it. So I'm just gonna apply this. My eyelash extensions just kind of fell out. I don't know if I should get them again or what. Oh, this one's working pretty good. This is called the Voluminous Million Lashes by Excess. If you put the mascara like closer to your lash line, it makes your lashes look darker, and it also makes it look like you're wearing like eyeliner a little bit. So I like to do that. Professional tip. Oh, also I forgot to mention to you guys that I'm going to Playlist in Orlando. It's the first couple days of March, and this is like my first convention since I went to BeautyCon last summer, but I didn't have like a meetup or panel or anything like that, so I'm really excited to meet you guys. Also, I am going to LA February 14th to the 17th, so I'm really excited for that. My birthday is February 26th. So February should be a great month and I'm very excited. Anyways, finish this look off. I'm gonna take the Urban Decay All-Nighter setting spray. Just spray that on there and we're good. I'm gonna take down my hair. I haven't done anything with my hair in the longest time. Haven't trimmed it, cut it, straightened it, curled it. I never do anything with it, but I think I might do like a cut soon. I don't really want to like color it at all. I'm wearing this shirt. It's from Urban Outfitters, and then I'm wearing leggings and they're Adidas leggings. So I'm gonna edit this video, get some school stuff done, meet up with friends, and yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry it was like simple, but hopefully it was entertaining. We got to talk a little bit, so cheers to that. If you watched all the way to this point, comment save the turtles. For me, not saving the turtles. I love how I'm like preaching when I'm not practicing. I'm sorry guys, my camera literally stops recording, so I just thought I would hand hold this goodbye. Thank you guys for watching. Check out my vlog channel. Hopefully I'll be uploading on that before I upload on here next. But I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye guys. Thank you. You can borrow it, I don't care. You can take my pen. Brick. I start like messing with them. Or you're okay, that's awesome.